I have the Great Lakes Fish Monitoring and Surveillance Project that monitors pollutants in top river fish in the Great Lakes. And we're also trying to understand pollutant movement through the food chain. Its focus for a lot of years, started in the 1970s, was on legacy contaminants, which are largely important in that they're toxic, they're still causing problems in the Great Lakes, but they're no longer used in industry. So recently we've morphed more into a proactive program looking at new emerging contaminants that are still being used in industry. I've always been interested in science and math when I was a young child. I remember I used to watch Lassie and want to be a forest ranger. I was a young kid, that's what my parents told me. When I was a little older, I had a lot of fish tanks. I always enjoyed ponds and things, so I thought I wanted to be a marine biologist. And ended up with an environmental science degree, a bachelor's degree. Worked for about a year and a half in a consulting firm. Realized all the people with neat jobs had graduate degrees. Went back to graduate school. When I was in graduate school, realized I really loved research. Had some really great faculty mentors. But I'd like to be a faculty member, and so I stayed for PhD. I've always had an interest. I think I had a high school chemistry teacher that really gave me an aha. I want to do that. So the high school chemistry classes really cemented my interest. I remember back on this professor, I really liked him, but one thing he did, he had a coffee can with a hole in the top. We went over to the gas outlets where they filled Bunsen burners. He filled up the can and he lit the flame coming out the top. And he said, "This is my new heater for camping," and he put it in the back of the room, and he went on to lecture. And of course, when the mixture of air and gas got right in the can, it boom! Blew 3 feet off the wall. Like, what the? And then he explained what was going on. Had to figure out stoichiometry. And a moment I still remember. My job really is two pieces: research, which I really love, and teaching, which I really love also. So I really enjoy research, working with students. That kind of mixes teaching and research together. Watching students grow and learn. Wanting to be professors and do other great things. Really rewarding. I think when you're young, you think you can solve and truly answer questions, and as you get older, you realize things are more complex than you can anticipate. So there's always more to learn, which I think as young people you think you're going to learn things and be done. It never happens that way. When you're in the field, there's always unanticipated things happen, and you have to solve problems that you didn't anticipate and make do with equipment that you don't have on hand, or something breaks and you have to innovate. It's challenging and fun. I like those kind of challenges. I think long-term impacts are educating people to continue your work and solving problems. The thing I get most excited about is the new emerging contaminant work, looking at trying to stop the next PCB or DDT before it makes a big serious impact on the environment.